How does probable cause justify an arrest? Imagine you're walking down the street and a police officer stops you. You might wonder, what gives them the right to do that? Well, one key reason is something called probable cause. Probable cause is a legal standard that helps decide if law enforcement can make an arrest. It means the officer must have enough facts and evidence to reasonably believe you have committed or are committing a crime. It's not just a hunch or guess. It's based on real, trustworthy information that would make a reasonable person think a crime is happening or has happened. For example, if an officer sees someone acting suspiciously near a store and then finds stolen items in their bag, that could be enough for probable cause. Or if witnesses tell police they saw a person break into a house, that information adds to the probable cause. The key is that the facts must point to criminal activity, not just a vague suspicion. Probable cause is important because it protects your rights. It is the standard that law enforcement must meet before they can arrest you without a warrant. This requirement is part of the Fourth Amendment of the United States Constitution, which guards against unreasonable searches and seizures. It says police can't just arrest someone without a good reason supported by evidence. When police decide to arrest someone without a warrant, they look at the total situation. They consider all the facts they know at that moment. This includes what they see, hear, and any evidence they have gathered. It's a practical test based on everyday judgment, not a technical rule. The officer's personal motives don't matter. What matters is whether a reasonable officer would believe a crime is likely happening. It's also important to understand that probable cause is different from reasonable suspicion. Reasonable suspicion allows police to stop someone briefly or do limited searches. But probable cause is a higher standard that justifies arrest. It's meant to prevent law enforcement from making arrests based on vague or unproven claims. In real life, if an officer observes someone acting nervously in a way that suggests they might be involved in a crime, or if they find physical evidence linking someone to a crime scene, they likely have probable cause. Once an arrest is made without a warrant, the person must be taken before a judge quickly. The judge then reviews whether there was enough probable cause to justify the arrest. Knowing your rights means understanding that, if law enforcement cannot show probable cause, your arrest could be illegal. Any evidence they gather without proper cause might be challenged in court. This safeguard helps ensure arrests are based on real evidence, not just assumptions or guesses.